gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out now. I'm ready for a good time, and I came to groove. The whole band's here, and we came to move. Got a fresh haircut and 2 new shoes. We're here all night like we got nothing to lose. I'm coming out the jacket, cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen when we hit these streets.
So this is episode 2 of the social distance build on the all-new 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. On this video, we have done the 2-inch Mopar lift with the Fox shocks. It comes standard with the lift. Awesome lift. Went on very easy. Then we also did a General Grabber X3 37s.
I'm coming in hot and I can't be beat. Watch out now. Baby, watch out now. Watch out. I'm on the move, I'm going up. I'm a man on a mission with no missions and I'm looking for love. Oh, I'm just looking for love. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good, baby. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Last call for some alcohol. And don't forget to tip. The sun went down, but we still rolling. The band's still going, playing all ahead. I can't stop now, too legit to quit. I'm coming out the jacket, cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen.
That's what I'm saying. I couldn't get the other one. I couldn't get it. That's what I'm saying. It wasn't even possible. I was like, you know how long it took me to get the other one? I say we cut it.
Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out. Hey, baby.
So we wanted to make sure we did a bed liner before we started putting all the accessories on the bed. We're going to be hard mounting some things into the bed, slides and whatnot, and then also before we put the rack system in. Next week we'll be doing more of the bed rack and then also the rooftop tent, which we actually have sitting in the showroom ready to put on. We can't wait to put it on. It's going to turn out super cool. That'll be on next week's episode. Make sure to check out our YouTube channel. We're super excited about this. It's turning out better than we could have imagined. It's just a great truck.
On a day.
Some whips.
Just whips?
Yeah.
Those are bad, dude. We sell those?
No.
Oh.
Thanks for joining us for our video 2 of the all-new 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. That is not what I'm driving right now.
I thought it was. You started off with what's up, guys.
Sorry. How should I start it again? Ow, got something in my eye. What else?